in the hanging dog area and hanging dog recreation area, and this is the picnic area, and we're going to the beach, and then we're going to go hiking with the Gypsy Pup. So let's go down to the beach area. It's a lot less flooded than it was last time I was here, because before, this is the lake, the U.S.A. River and the U.S.A. Lake, and you can go swimming here on the beach area. Gypsy, of course, doesn't like the water too much. And last time I was here, I could actually go all the way up here, and it was in the water. All the flood waters have gone down, and you can see a lot of mud areas here. It's quite muddy here, obviously from being so wet for such a long time. There's people in the water. This is the lake. Next spot. Gypsy's like, I don't like it here, John. Look up on the rocks. And this is the lake, and we're gonna go hiking and see people's motorboating over there. Lake, fast boat. And this is about. Gypsy, go over the rock. Come on, give this one. I don't want to get my camera wet, so I don't want to drop it and get it all messed up. So we're going to do some hiking. This is the beach area. I'm going to go in the water in a bit. Hanging dog recreation area. Gypsy's all tangled up. This is the picnic area. Group shelter. Picnic area. The boat ramps over here. Grilling. And there's a toilet up there. Of course, it's really just a hole in the ground. No camping here. Got my water canteen. There's a boat, maybe there's that fast moving boat again. We're going to launch of kayaks here. Hanging dog boating access. And I think there's a trail up here, up in this upper parking area. And this is the Nantahala National Forest. And there's the parking area down there. It's a warm day, about mid 80s, probably about 83 degrees right now here. Shade's much nicer. And I think there's a trail right in that bend here. This is the upper parking area. They said we're going to go on a trail, if there is one, up here for a little bit. And there is. There's a trail right up here. Into the forest. The access road. You walk up on it, it's a closed road. And this is a trail here, a biking trail. This is the Ramsey Bend Connector Trail. And that's the area, hanging dog recreation area down there. So we're on the trail. Warm day. So I'm not armed, so I don't want to go too far because it could be bears in these woods. It's hot, so I won't get exhausted. Just an interesting trail to walk on for a little bit. Boy, really nice in the autumn. And the fall leaves come out in a few months. I don't want to go too far because there'll be a lot of ticks and a lot of bugs up here. I've already seen gnats swim, flying around me. One of the remotest areas in the southern United States. And I'm seeing bugs. Even though I got bug repellent, I'm still seeing a lot of mosquitoes. So I don't want to get bit up. Poison ivy. Don't want to touch that. This deep cliff. She's got to snip something. Let's go further up. Right on this bend and we'll turn back. Because just snip everything. It's a little warm and there's bugs around me. very quiet area on the Ramsey Bend Connector Trail. It goes all the way down U.S.A, probably down the Snooks Marina, about 5 or 6 miles up ahead, up the road. Probably be like this the entire way. So peaceful and quiet here. Go down the hill. Okay, so there's your trail. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you want to turn back, because it's a long way to go, and mosquitoes all over the place trying to bite me. Right, come on. I don't want the gypsy getting bit. It's already itchy enough. So head back. Hope you enjoyed the video.